Welcome, everyone. This is Andy with Add-ons Artist Mode. I wanted to take a couple minutes today just to show you a new feature that we've released for Limo Anywhere. It's our Manifest Import tool. And what it's designed to do is to allow you to mass import trips from DMC companies, partners, airline crew transport manifests into your Limo Anywhere quickly and accurately. And at a much lower cost than to hand type this using your reservationist or dispatchers. So just to start, this is spreadsheet based, so we can provide a default spreadsheet for you, or we can map your existing spreadsheet formats in here pretty easily. You'll see that in a second. So effectively what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a spreadsheet that has some trips in it. I'm going to say, let's say I'm dealing with a trip going from an airport, from, let's say, Indianapolis. They're going to the Conrad downtown in Indianapolis. So I'll just quickly set my service types. Select the billing account that I want to use. I can say my billing contact is, Bill Smith, and my group name is going to be ABC123. And I'm going to click Upload and Select. So it's going to take me to the next section here where I'm going to be able to set default vehicles that I want to use. I can adjust any column mapping. So we've dynamically detected what we think are the best fields based on the spreadsheet you uploaded, but also we'll let you come in here and assign individual columns as you see fit. Populate static data for drop-off, pickup instructions, notes, things of that nature. So as you can see here, I've gotten five passengers that are going to be that were in my spreadsheet that I'm going to be importing, and I can choose a couple different options. I can choose to do one trip per passenger, so each one of these passengers below would get their own individual trip. I could just click Select and Preview, and it would create 5 trips in Limo Anywhere. I also have the option to do one trip with multiple passengers, to where I can select a passenger, say Jose here, and I can make him the main passenger, and then I can add other passengers, Adrian and Albert here. I can click Merge and Select Preview, so you can see that I've put these 3 folks into, by default, I can choose whatever vehicle or a drop-down, let's say an SUV. I can see all their trip details, their times, their flight details, drop-off information, and I can click Submit to Limo Anywhere. And what that will do is it will go off to my Limo Anywhere instance and create me a trip 11647. And then I can click to return back to my import data, and then you can notice that those 3 passengers are now gone. I can choose to, let's say, do one trip for 1 passenger each. I'll select these 2. Select and preview. In this particular case, you'll see I've got trip 1, trip 2. Here are their details with their times. I can submit that to Limo Anywhere now. And notice I didn't select a vehicle. I created 648 and 649 successfully. Now, if I go over to my Limo Anywhere interface here, I can select the trip date that I had programmed here, which I believe is the 29th. And you'll notice that I've got the 3 confirmations that I just created here. If I click on the first one at the reservations, I can go in and I can see it was created by Artist Mode, the different service types, my routing information. I can see my additional passengers that I've put in my spreadsheet, and I can update the pricing accordingly and save this reservation. This is quick, it's error-free. And it's way less expensive than retyping data into Limo Anywhere. Any questions, please reach out to us at addons.la or 703-794-6100 or on social media. Thanks for watching.